Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2015 Ford Focus. On this Ford Focus we are going to go over the process in which you can manually unlock your vehicle to be able to get in. So say your engine battery is dead and or the battery that is in your key fob is dead. A couple things unique about this is you'll be able to unlock the door, but then it's got the safety button in there. So like if you can't unlock your door with the push button, but you unlock it with the key to open that up, then what happens is that the alarm system is going to go off and you have a little beeper that will start beeping. And so what you need to do once you open the door or unlock it is you'll need to be able to open up the door and put the key in the ignition and turn it, and that deactivates it because it reads the computer chip that's inside the key. Right, so we'll take our manual key, just the standard key there, you put it in here, turn it to the right, to the back. You'll hear that the blinkers have blinked on, and that's saying that the door is unlocked. Now, this is where, when you open the door, you can hear that little beep noise, and that beep noise will go, and then it gets faster, and then it'll go, and it'll actually turn on the alarm, which is annoying. So you just need to put the key in the ignition, turn it on to the run position. You don't need to start the vehicle, but you turn it on enough to the run position, and that way it will deactivate that portion of it, and then you would be able to say if you need to replace your engine battery. Then of course if the engine battery was dead, that little function wouldn't work, and it wouldn't happen until you put the new battery in. But that way you can get into the vehicle and then be able to pop the hood to change your engine battery. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.